All right, guys, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. The first thing I want to say starting off is Happy Martin Luther King's Day. And I don't just say it just to say it. I actually mean it when I say it. I have a lot of, I admire that man for what he did, what he stood for. And you know what? Most of the greatest man in this whole world, people who actually contributed actually something positive, they didn't have the best of endings, but maybe I guess that comes with being, the greatest. I don't know. But, Martin Luther King, it's a sad way the way he left this earth because he didn't deserve to go the way that he did. He was an amazing man, and I really will always remember this guy because he has a special place in history as one of the greatest people to have walked on this planet. Now guys, the market is closed today, but I promise you I have a really nice video that you will actually like. Usually IPO review videos are boring, I'll say it, and this is IPO Market Watch. But hey, 2023 sucked when it comes to IPOs, it really did. Now 2024, I don't know, maybe we'll have some good surprises, right? This one that I'm going to review for you in this video, you'll want to watch. I'm going to start off the video first by showing you 3 stocks already trading on the market on purpose. I'm going to show you those. I'm not going to talk about them. I'm not going to analyze them. I'm just going to show you the stocks. And there's a reason why. I'll show them to you in the beginning of the video. Then we'll go and do the IPO review together. And then after the IPO review, we'll go back to those 3 stocks and tie it with this IPO, and it'll make a lot of sense for you. Money makers, they've already proven themselves to be money makers. So if I were you, I'd watch this video. All right, so the first stock, guys, is Fidus Investment Corporation. Ticker symbol FDUS, as you can see, is trading at $19.88. That's what it closed on Friday. But did you know that I actually called this stock back in 2023 as a buy in my Discord at $20.38. So had you bought it, you would actually be up and be positive. Now guys, I can sit here all day and act like I'm smart, I'm amazing, I know how to pick stocks, I'm the greatest and all this stuff. But there's some embarrassing moments in my life of investing, and I'm gonna share one with you right now. And this is pretty embarrassing. I can't, you guys can make fun of me if you want to, you should, because this is pretty embarrassing. All right, so guys, on February 21, 2023 is when I had said that I'll buy ticker symbol FDUS, I said in my Discord. But how in the world did I end up doing that? I told my Discord members that I had bought Amazon at $89.84, which, by the way, when I say in my Discord that I bought something or I buy something, that was actually, it is always announced to my Discord members before I buy something, always. So if you're going to join my Discord, you will know before I buy something, I will tell you that, hey, you know what? I want to buy ticker symbol ABC at that price, when it hits that price, right? You'll know before I even buy something. So you'll be prepared to have time to do your homework if you want to. And the transparency that I will tell you before. I'm not going to tell you, hey, I bought this, that's stupid. You're going to know before. But anyways, I had told my members in Discord that I will buy Amazon at $89.84, which I had done. 89 bucks, Amazon? That was a big deal. I mean, that was awesome. And then what did I do? I went and sold Amazon at 94 bucks to get FDUS. That's stupid. I mean, FDUS is a great stock, but when you get an entry in Amazon at 89, you don't sell at 94. So that's pretty embarrassing.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
The next stock I'm going to show you real quick now, and we'll get back to it, is Horizon Technology Finance Corp, ticker symbol HRZN, trading at $13.69. But please keep in mind that in my Discord, I had called it at $10.28, at $10.28 as a buy. Also, Capital Southwest, CSWC, is trading at $25.50, but I had called that in my Discord at $21. The point of this isn't to tell you that, look, I had called these things in my Discord and now they're up. No, the point is to tie them up with this IPO, and you'll see why, because it's going to make a lot of sense and it's going to be very important in order for you to find a money maker within the 4 stocks mentioned in this video. So the IPO review, guys, that I'm going to show you right now is Palmer Square Capital Management BDC. It's supposed to go public on January 18, 2024 of this year, so it's coming up. Ticker symbol PSBD. So the company was founded in 2009 and is based outside of Kansas City, Missouri. Palmer Square manages over $28.1 billion in fixed income credit investments for a wide array of institutional and high net worth investors. Palmer Square focuses on exploiting absolute and relative value opportunities across corporate and structured credit with the goal of strong risk-adjusted returns over a market cycle. So the company is a BDC. Who's the CEO of the company? It's Christopher D. Long. He's the chairman, chief executive officer. The guy has worked for JP Morgan, as you can see here. He's worked for TH Lee Putnam Ventures, for Morgan Stanley, and he got his degree from Harvard University. One of their mutual funds is PSYPX. It's actually doing really good. We are defined by our philosophy and guided by our business principles as we invest and serve clients globally. $28+ billion in assets under management, 28 investment professionals, and 100% management owned. So they're going to offer 5.4 million shares of their common stock at $16.45, which it is available for pre-order right now on Webull. If you go over to Webull, you can buy it if you want to at $16.45. Ticker symbol PSBD, January 18, they're going public, and the underwriters JP Morgan, Bank of America, RBC Capital, and Citigroup. If we look at the portfolio of the company, you can see some of the companies here that they have. Maybe you know some of these companies: Idarian Corporation, Delta Topco. Looking at by industry, we can look at software is making up about 12.7% of their portfolio, healthcare at 9%, IT services at 7%, insurance, and a bunch of other, so they're actually well diversified. The results from operations, the total investment income in 2022 was $30.7 million. In 2023, $53.6 million. If we look at the number of new investment commitments, it went from 37 to 28, and the net expenses went from 12.5 to 25 million. So valuation score, guys, is a 4 out of 5, but wait. There is a reason that I say but wait. And that is that even though I really like this company and there's a lot more to see, especially if you click on the Investor Roadshow and watch that, which you can find on the Webull app, and it's a video from the company itself, a 30-minute video that goes over the entire pretty much company and including the SEC filings and so on, and they really explain it very well. It's pretty awesome. I like the company. I think it's great. I would give it a 4 out of 5, but I would wait because $16.45, which they're asking for the pre-order, in my personal opinion, is a bit too much. Now I understand they're only offering 5 million shares, so yeah, okay, you can't say it's exactly overvalued, but you know what, let me show you other stocks that I believe are better for my money, personally speaking, for me. And they are BDCs, just like this one. Every BDC made, BDCs vary in how they invest their money and how they invest customers' money and how they make money. Okay, I get it, but these are BDCs, and I think that they are, at this point, better buys than this one, although I would keep this IPO on my top watch list. And those better BDCs are the ones that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Ticker symbol FDUS makes more sense to me to buy right now at $19.88. Horizon Technology Finance Corp, which also makes way more sense for me to buy. HRZN is the ticker symbol. It also pays a monthly dividend, monthly. That's pretty cool. And obviously, Capital Southwest Corporation is another buy that I believe right now at this point in time makes more sense than me buying Palmer Square Capital. Right? I do like Palmer Square Capital, but I wouldn't buy it right now. I think it's overvalued, overpriced as an IPO, and I would wait for it to fall. And when it does fall, then I'll buy it. Thank you very much for watching this video, everyone, and I wish you guys all the best. Take care.